Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, as you can see, we got a nice impulsive move to the upside. I think that's an A. I think this is three waves down for an A, B, C, a B, and I believe we're going up to make a big wave C right now. I do not think this trend is probably even close to being over. I think it's going to go up probably someplace around this 100% Fibonacci extension to finish off this big wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can start to see some of these corrections. We got an ABC down right there, which I definitely think is going to hold. And on the shorter time frames, I think we got another end of a correction right there with a higher low, which I think is going to be a great entry to go long on, especially on the shorter time frames. So let's go down to the shorter time frames now on the daily. On the daily time frame, you can now see this three-way pattern down, went right to the 78.6, made a nice impulsive move up, and it definitely did take out structure, which does help me prove that this really is the end of an ABC correction. As you can see, all these ABCs are making higher lows pretty much the whole way up. I definitely think we're in an uptrend, and I do believe that this is going to just keep on trending up. Now, with that structure break that we have right here, the likelihood now is that it probably will pull back, and at the end of that pullback is where I'm going to be looking for a much safer entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So, heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see three waves down right here. Looks to me like an ABC correction. Nice and positive up. I think this is a correction also. As you can see, it did make another higher low. I definitely could picture this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wouldn't be surprised if it did pull back, especially with this structure break. Usually the market does pull back after a structure break. But if it makes three waves down, and if it makes that ABC shape, then it makes an impulsive move up, especially if it's at a Fibonacci level of this last move up. That's going to definitely be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend that I was showing on the monthly and weekly time frames. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying with this structure break right here, it is very likely that we will get a pullback. It probably is going to go down and take out this low. It looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Now I think we're in an A. We're going to be in an ABC correction. After that ABC correction, if we get an impulsive move up, especially if it takes out structure from the wave C, that's going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't be afraid to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.